Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Please accept my humble obeisances. All glories to Śrīla Prabhupāda. My name is Caitanya-vallabha, and some of you, especially those who are from Melbourne, might already know me. My wife, Gopi-bhava dasi, and I came to Melbourne in 2003 to do the service for their Lordships, Sri Rādhā-Vallabha at the temple. We were doing the deity worship, dressing the deities, and cooking for them. Besides, I was daily going to play mṛdaṅga on the street on a daily Harināma-saṅkīrtana. Many of you probably also saw me performing the fire sacrifices, the yajñas, at the temple as a part for the Saṁskāra ceremonies for my children as well as for other devotees and visitors' kids. After a few years, when our children grew up a little, we became concerned with the prospects of our children's education there. We wanted to protect them from bad influence they would be exposed to in what they call it normal or secular karmī schools. Instead, we wanted them to grow up and be trained in a spiritual atmosphere of devotees association. Thus, in 2011, we decided to move to Māyāpur, where we've been living for the last 9 years. Up until recently, I was serving in Māyāpur Institute as a Russian course coordinator. Over the past years, we had 6 successful batches of students from Russia who took the Bhakti Shastri course here. Besides that, I was managing the Bhagavatam classes for the local Russian devotees in Māyāpur, and also serving as an English to Russian interpreter during the classes, seminars, and the parikramas. My wife serves at the Deity department here, making beautiful flower arrangements for the Panchatattva deities. Our service is voluntary, and we are not getting any remuneration from which we can support ourselves here in Māyāpur. This year, especially now, during the COVID-19 lockdown, we are really struggling. The biggest part of our budget goes to cover our children's education. All other expenses that we have are very modest, as we are used to live a simple life. Kṛṣṇacandra is very happy studying in Māyāpur Gurukula. He is showing genuine enthusiasm and eagerness to continue his studies there. Here, let him share his feelings about his experience.
Hare Krishna. My name is Kṛṣṇacandra Kanai. I was born in Melbourne, 2004, and 9 years ago, in 2011, I came here to Māyāpur. I don't remember much in Melbourne. I was about 4 or 5 when I left. But what my parents told me was that I was born on the 26th of December on Snanyatra. And everyone in the temple gave me the nickname Snanyatra Boy. My mom was making dresses for the deities in the temple, and my father was cooking in the temple. For about 6 years, and I was studying in Smith. For the other 3 years, I came here to Gurukula, and that was the best decision of my life. In 2016, I came here to Gurukula, and for the past 3 years, almost 4, I've been here studying. We study here the Vedic lifestyle. We study puja, mantras, yajña, and I would really love to continue studying here. I have a lot to learn, and I believe that This is the place I am meant to be, and I would love to continue studying here for the next 10-15 years.
Dear devotees, we humbly request all of you to kindly help us cover our son's Kṛṣṇacandra Kanai's education in Māyāpur Gurukula, which costs 9,000 Indian rupees per month. Please become a sponsor to fulfill Śrīla Prabhupāda's hopes about raising ISKCON's future generation. Hare Krishna.